gone.
Bo 10, Sundown Kid, land of Lincoln. I appreciate the flowers. Keep some for yourself. You stepped off in my receipt. Hello, Sundown Kid.
Hey, BT in the yard, bring it to the Empire one time. Hello, Radio 501 New York in the northeast corner. Hello, BT in the yard, 501 New York with the wave.
And I do appreciate it. Sundown Kid, take care. I'm going to jump out of here. I got to slide and get a little something taken care of on the grill. And I'll be back. Sundown Kid, watch my back. Let them know. See if we cost 225. Mike Woods working this high fidelity today. Make transmitter. Got that.
Hey, BT in the yard, where'd you go? Hey, BT in the yard, where did you go? Hello, Radio 501 New York with the wave.
There it is, 4,300, 225. Got that. Hey, 003, I heard you up in there, and I'm headed out the door. Watch my back, 003.
I tell you what, old 225 must have a hammer down out there. I hear old number 1 calling him. I hear old 222 talking to him. I hear old number 4 out there trying to get up in his radio. That gotten big enough. Old 225 must have a hammer down. Old BT in the yard.
Hey, BT in the yard, come on into the Empire. Hello, BT in the yard, running that video gate, 501 New York with the wave.
That would be rude. I'll let you key on it. Triple two. Don't say that I keyed on it. You did. I'll be back. Click.
Hey, BT in the yard, where'd you go? You getting on pulling out of there without saying hello to New York one time. Hello, Radio, working this ground plane 501 in the Empire with the wave.
Got something on the grill. I'm going to check it. Make sure I'm not cooking my mud duck too much. Triple two, watch my back. I'll be back. Click.
Hey, 501, that gotten big in 222, and some of the fellas out around Illinois has got my ears plugged up. But I did hear that gotten big in old woodchuck keys up in my radio there just for a second, no doubt. But I tell you what, it's rough and tough in my radio. Hey, 501, your friend, BT in the yard, getting down.
Okie dokie, BT in the yard, I appreciate the wave. BT in the yard, you're commanding a soul receive up here in the Empire. Hello, BT in the yard, appreciate the wave. 501 New York on the side.
Hey, Woodchuck, try to ease on back up in this radio. Hey, Woodchuck. Hey, Woodchuck. OBT in the yard said ease on back up in this radio there, breaker.
Woodchuck's about 2 hours from me. Hey, Steve, it's going good, man. You're seeing it. You're coming on top, man.
Woodchuck, ain't no doubt about it, brother. I tell you what, it's rough and tough, but you're coming through, man. You're coming through. You in there with a triple two and a few more of them big scrappers out there, no doubt. I just heard you in there, brother, and wanted to wave the hand at you. Hey, Woodchuck, you know who it is out here around Arkansas with sole control of this hog yard. Got down.
Look at that, nothing in the receive but the BT. Uh-oh, here comes Dirty Bird. He's flapping them.
Oh, I heard that old Dirty Bird, bird, dirty bird. Hey, dirty bird, OBT in the yard, so where you at?
Here cut dirty bird. Here cut dirty bird.
No contest out there. Hey, 28, tell me one more time. Hey, 28, write my phone number down. 678-9. 8501.
Yeah, go ahead.
Shutting it down.
You got it locked down right there, BT. See, I got a problem locking it down. See, this is why. King of the Ducks, right there. Yeah, BT, we got it all. Nothing but the silence in the empire, man. Hey, BT, we got it all. I'm going to pull back this video gate so I can upload it, man. BT in the yard, 501 northeast corner with the wave. All right, I'm going to upload this one. I'll be back.